Guys, welcome to AKB and this is Vishnu. So this illustration Tip Top Textile manufactures a wide range of fashion fabrics. The company is considering whether to add a further product that's superb to the range. A market research survey recently undertaken at a cost of 50,000 suggests that the demand of the Superb will last for only 1 year, during which 50,000 units could be sold at 18 per unit. Production and sales of Superb would take place evenly throughout the year. The following informations are available regarding the cost of manufacturing of Superb. Raw material. Each Superb would require three types of raw material: posh, flash and splash. Quantity required, current stock level, and cost of each raw material are shown below. Post, usually used regularly by the company, and the stock are replaced as they are used. The current stock of the flash is the result of overbuying by the earlier contract. The material is not used regularly by Tip-Top Furnitures, and any stock that was not used to manufacture Superb would be sold. The company does not carry a stock of Splash, and the unit required would be specially purchased. Then they have given a table on which machine particulars, start of the year and end of the year details are given. So machine MT4 replacement cost 80,000, 65,000, resale value 60,000, 42,000. M1 MT17 replacement cost 30,000 and 9,000, resale value 11,000 and 8,000. Straight line depreciation has been charged on each machine for each year of its life. Tip-Top Textile owns a number of MT4 machines which are used regularly for various products. Each M14 is replaced as soon it reaches the end of the useful life. MT7 machines are no longer used, and the one which would be used for Super Limited is only one company now has. If it were not used to produce Superb, it will be sold immediately. Overheads. A predetermined rate of recovery for the overhead is in operation, and the fixed overheads are recovered fully from the regular production, 3.5 per labor hour. Variable overhead costs for Super Limited are estimated at 1.2 per unit. For decision making, incremental cost based on relevant cost and opportunity cost are usually computed. You are required to compute such a cost sheet for Superb with all details of material, labor and overhead, subcontracting the figures with the necessary explanations. So going ahead with the solution, market research cost is such cost which is not relevant part of decision making. Raw material. Number 1. Raw material posh is used regularly and stock are replenished, and hence current replacement cost is relevant. Therefore 5,000 into 2.5 5,000 into 1 into 2.5. 1 lakh 50, 1,25,000. Number 2. Current stock of flash is a result of overbuying and will not be used for other than Superb Limited, and hence the relevant cost is not realizable value. Material requires 50,000 into 2, that is 1 lakh. 60,000 into 1.1, 66,000, and 40,000 into 1.8, 1,12,000. The total 1,78,000. Third point, the material splash has no stock and has to be brought and relevant in, hence not relevant in decision making. 5 lakh into 0.5 into 5, 1,25,000. Labor. Due to unskilled labor, no work has been suffered and so no extra cost, and hence not relevant in decision making. Skilled labor is scarce, therefore not only the cost but also the contribution foregone. Being opportunity cost should be considered for decision making. Therefore 50,000 into 0.25 into 4.5, which gives 56,250. Effective cost of pension 15,000 minus 6,000 is 9,000. Next one, machinery. MT4 are regularly used and therefore the difference between replacement cost at the start and the end of the year is relevant. 80,000 minus 65,000 will give 15,000. MT7 is not used regularly and the difference between realizable value at the start and at the end of the year should be taken. 11,000 minus 8,000, the difference is 3,000. Now variable overhead. Variable overhead are relevant. 50,000 into 1.2, 60,000. Fixed overhead are not relevant because it is recorded fully and regular production. Finally, cost statement of 50,000 units. Raw material, post, flash and splash. 1,25,000, 1,78,000 and 1,25,000. That is 4,28,000. Labor skilled 65,250. Pension of rupees 9,000. So the total 74,250. Variable overhead 60,000. Therefore the total of 5,62,250. And with a profit of 3,28,750, the sales price will be 50,000 into 18, that is 9 lakh. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.